Do you know that over 2,000 years ago, someone built a computer? Not a stone calendar, not a sundial, a mechanical computer hidden inside a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, centuries before the word technology even existed. This is the Antikythera Mechanism, and it shouldn't exist. In 1901, a group of sponge divers off the small Greek island of Antikythera stumbled upon something strange. At first, they thought they'd found another ancient treasure: bronze statues, coins, amphorae. But among the wreckage was a lump of metal, corroded, ugly, almost meaningless. They sent it to the Athens National Museum, where it sat for years, ignored, until a curator cracked the surface open and saw something impossible. Tiny bronze gears, perfectly measured teeth, complex ratios, like the inside of a modern watch, made 2,000 years before watches existed. At first, no one knew what to call it. Some said it was a clock, others a navigational device. But every theory fell apart the deeper they looked. The gears were too precise, too intentional. Then, using X-rays, researchers found over 30 interlocking gears, dials, and inscriptions in ancient Greek. And they realized this wasn't art. This was engineering. When scientists reconstructed it, they were shocked. The mechanism could predict eclipses, planetary movements, even the ancient Olympic calendar. It wasn't just a timepiece. It was a mechanical model of the universe, built when most civilizations were still drawing in sand. Here's what doesn't make sense. This device, with its hundreds of gears and astronomical precision, appeared 1,000 years before similar technology showed up again. And then, nothing. No other devices like it have ever been found. So who built it? And how did that knowledge disappear? Some believe it came from Archimedes himself, a genius from Syracuse rumored to have created war machines and complex devices. Others whisper that it was knowledge handed down from a forgotten civilization, one lost to history or buried by it. To make this, the builder would have needed precision tools, math centuries ahead of its time, and an understanding of astronomy that shouldn't have existed. Each gear tooth is cut to micrometer precision. Even modern engineers admit replicating it by hand would be almost impossible. But this wasn't built in a lab. It was built by someone ancient, working by torchlight, with bronze and imagination. It's as if someone remembered technology from a future that hadn't happened yet. So what is the truth? Historians believe the Antikythera Mechanism may have been built by Greek astronomers inspired by Archimedes' lost works. Others think it proves ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we give them credit for. And then there are those who wonder if this wasn't the only one. If knowledge like this once existed everywhere and something wiped it away. One artifact, 30 gears, 2,000 years of mystery. Do you know what else might be waiting beneath the waves? Because if this was real, what else have we forgotten?